Hello. So, people always say Surron is silent. It's not silent. It definitely has a noise. It has a very distinct noise, and I'm going to show you what it sounds like from different angles.
Yeah, I'm on my own. I don't need no one. I don't. Yeah, I'm in my zone. Cross my heart and break my bones.
So I've got the microphone hooked right here. So there you have it. I hope you got a good idea what the Surron sounds like. Now you know it's definitely not silent, but it's also definitely not loud. And that lets you do shit like this. Yeah, I was right there, big guy. That guy came out of the driveway without seeing me, and that's because he couldn't hear me. I was just too stealthy. So if you guys disliked this video, smash that dislike button and stay tuned.
Holy.